back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work-from-home job lead for you. This one is specifically moderating and responding to comments in Facebook, and they're paying very, very well. We're going to get all into it. Just know the links to everything that I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Service Titan. Now, they have 445 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a social media moderation manager, which is probably why this pays very well. This is remote for my United States folks only. But as the social media moderation manager, you'll serve as a key player in monitoring their customer Facebook group, actively managing and moderating all aspects of the group. Some of the things you'll be doing is effectively performing administrative and moderation duties included, but not limiting to monitoring and routing or escalating issues that are identified in the Facebook group and other social channels. You'll track customer questions, issues, and recommendations, and you'll communicate them internally with the appropriate teams. You'll help build brand personality and customer trust through regular 1- to 2-way communications. You'll monitor relevant online conversations among people in the trade service to get a pulse on key topics and trends. And you'll respond to customers with a wide variety of product and service needs via the Facebook group. So all of your customer interaction is going to be done on Facebook through their Facebook customer group. So this is completely non-phone. But since you are the manager, you'll also be managing a team of social listeners, including but not limited to, you'll cover their schedule and absences, you'll make sure they adhere to established policies and procedures, and you'll make sure they're performing within their performance expectations. Now, they are not requiring any college degree for this position. Ideally, they want someone who has 4 years experience in either social media, customer service, support, or marketing. So you don't actually have to have social media experience if you have that customer support experience. They want somebody who is going to be hyper-focused on serving the customer first. Of course, you've got to be familiar with the Facebook platform and Facebook page and group management. Someone who has great listening skills, strong communication skills, and the passion for working in an entrepreneurial and fast-paced environment. Now, it's all the way down at the bottom, but the expected salary they're looking to pay for this role is anywhere from $64,000 a year all the way up to $92,000 a year. Of course, it says that they offer a benefit package. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments or any feedback that you have for me. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.